Hi for this. Happy Sunday. So this is my chicken stew for Sunday rice. Let's dive in. First of all, you're going to start by cooking your chicken with some salt, seasoning, ginger and garlic, onions, curry, thyme, and then some water. After that, you're going to cover and allow it to cook until it's done. So you're going to lightly fry our chicken in some hot oil, just like I'm doing in the video. You don't need to, fry it very well, just a bit. After that, you're going to scoop the chicken, add more oil, ginger and garlic, some onions, fry that, and then add in your tomato pepper mix. Here I'm seasoning with some salt, seasoning, curry, thyme. Give that a good stir and then add in some fresh rosemary. Cover and allow it to fry until the water is all gone, and then add in your chicken. So add in some bell peppers, some carrots, and more water to just loosen up everything. Cover and allow it to simmer again for another 5 minutes and your chicken stew is ready. Are you enjoying my videos? If you are, give me a hug in the comment section. And so our chicken stew is ready for Sunday rice. What will you be pairing this with? I had this with some white rice and plantain, but you can also use it for pasta and yam or potato. Bye.